Newly remodeled 2-bed 1.5 bath with 2 bonus rooms. Bonus rooms are both 12 by 18. 161 E Alder Street is lovingly restored. Complete new kitchen remodeled with black walnut butcher block counters. Farm sink, all new appliances and custom cabinets. New plank flooring, carpeting and paint. New wood stove insert plus a newer membrane roof with a lifetime warranty. The home also has a separate laundry room and attached garage. Property is on city water, city sewer with a well for lawn and garden. Home sits on .37 of an acre, a must-see. Call your realtor today.